Welcome traders. We're gonna be looking at the Euro USD trade that we had. So this was pretty much the setup. This was our first entry, and then our this was our entry. We made the entry here, and then once we're in profit, I moved my stop loss above that. Remember our initial setup. This was the trade. This was the stop loss right there, and then this was the take profit. So after we made this move here, I moved my stop loss to this position, so pretty much a break even point. And then now we had a continuation down to our take profit, and then I also had a add-on trade. This was the add-on trade right here. So just for clarity, let me move this aside. This was the add-on trade. So as you can see here, we're having this new trend forming lower lows, and then finally we had this last move here. So I put on the add-on trade right here at this point, and then this was I risked 0.25% for a risk to reward of 1 to, I believe it was a 1 to 7 or a 1 to 8. Then these trades both hit target, so giving me a combined risk to reward of 1 to 3, no, 0.5 to 3. So this was our winner, our first winner. And then, as I've already said, when I was doing my running trade update, I think I did explain that if the market closed above this line here, if the market closed in here, then we had there was a higher probability that the market was gonna move to the upside. But then if it closes below, then there's a high probability that we're gonna see a move down. And I think another thing that I've also emphasized on was the fact that in on our way down, we're probably gonna do something like this and then go down. So once I saw that, that's when I looked for a re-entry, taking the market lower. So this is just a recap of our winner that we just had. So yeah,